someone. Missing someone. Missing someone.
Hey y'all, what's up? Good afternoon, because I'm pretty sure it's not morning anymore. Yep, it's 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Right now I'm moisturizing my face. I just did my you see, I just did my eyes. I'm about to get dressed, finish my makeup, get dressed. Today's plans, what is today's plans? Pretty much chill day. Like I said, as I said in previous videos, everything is closed, not much to do. I think I'm about to head to Starbucks and get me a drink, because y'all know I had Starbucks for the first time yesterday. It was good, so I'm gonna go get another pink drink, or I might try something different. What else? I wonder if it's a mall out here. I thought about going Christmas shopping maybe. I'm kind of mad that I left my gift cards I got for my birthday, but I might go Christmas shopping. I don't know. I don't know what I'm about to do, but whatever I do, and if it's something worth recording, I will pick up my camera. But let me get myself together and I'll be back to show y'all the outfit of the day. So y'all, this one I'm wearing today, my bag from Forever 21. Then I'm gonna wear the Air Max Vapor Plus. And I'm gonna wear this coat my daughter got me for my birthday with the pretty little thing, split pants, and then it's a black tee. So that's my outfit for today. My makeup came out real pretty. I used my Naked Cherry palette. Haven't used this palette in a long time. I barely even use this palette actually, but this is a nice palette. So that's what I have on my eyes. But alright y'all. Hey y'all, a couple of hours later, I am finally dressed. Took a while. I've been procrastinating, but I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Probably try to give y'all a full view later, but this is just if you watch my try on haul, I think it was like a collective haul. I had this one with the split hem pants, and then I got my Vapor Air Max on today. So this is the fit. I'll give y'all a good look once I get outside. And so see y'all in a second. It's quiet over here. But it's real peaceful. So this is like what it looks like. You got over here, it's like real peaceful. I want to go shopping. I'm always shopping, don't need to, but I guess after Starbucks we're gonna try to find something to do. Hey y'all, so I went back to Starbucks and I'm trying the mango dragon fruit. I think that's what it is. Y'all Starbucks people know what I'm talking about. I did it with the coconut milk. It is so good. I think I'm addicted now. Now I see why y'all be in there like crackheads in line trying to get a damn Starbucks drink. It's good. It matched my coat. Yes. Very refreshing. Oh, so we about to go head over to this lake. So I'm gonna show y'all the scenery when I get over there. It's so pretty out here. I'm gonna show y'all the water. The water is so beautiful. Close. Do y'all see how beautiful this water is? Look how close I am. Like literally, if you wrong step, your ass is in there. Like your ass is grass, you dead meat. Like fuck that. Let me get back. I just had a birthday. Oh my god. Made it back to the room. I'm about to be bartender, fashion doll. We got some Southern Peach lemonade. This should be a good combination, I hope. Strawberries to make it cute. Some cups. Oh baby, I'm trying to give it to you. I'm about to play this. I'm trying to put some over you.
Since a little bitch, since a little hoe. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play in your throat, deep stroke your throat.
What's up, y'all? So I am on the patio, still doing a little hookah. I'm about to cook in a minute. I might take y'all along with me to cook. I'll probably cook some salmon. I'm cooking salmon, not probably, but I am cooking salmon, snow crabs, broccoli, and macaroni and cheese. Yes, last night we gotta go out with a bang. I'm be headed back home tomorrow, and just chilling. Finally, I'm about to cook dinner. I got everything set up. That'll be the mac and cheese. I got my lemon, my salmon. Then these are all the seasonings I'll be using. I'm gonna do my crab, like I told y'all. This is gonna make your salmon just A1. So I'm putting y'all on something, okay? I'm putting y'all on. If y'all ain't on this, I'll put y'all on. Yeah. camera is about to die, so I did prep my salmon. I'm about to put it in the oven. I'm about to put my macaroni on, get it going. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my birthday vlog. I'm gonna close this vlog out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Good night.